The 2020 Chevrolet Silverado key fob uses a CR232 battery. To start, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. First, locate the small slot on the side of the key fob case. Insert the screwdriver or coin into the slot and gently pry the case open. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you could damage the plastic. Once you've created a small opening, carefully work your way around the seam until the case separates into two halves. Handle the fob on a non-conductive surface to avoid static electricity discharge. With the key fob open, you'll see the CR2032 coin cell battery. Note the battery's polarity. The positive plus side should be facing up. Gently remove the old battery and replace it with a new CR2032. Lithium-ion alternatives may offer longer life, but ensure compatibility. Once the new battery is in place, align the two halves of the key fob case and snap them back together. Ensure the case is fully closed. Test the key fob to confirm it's working. The 2020 Silverado fobs usually self-sync, but if issues arise, consult a Chevrolet technician to prevent security risks. Dispose of the old battery responsibly.